So why should you do affiliate marketing? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to talk about why you should do affiliate marketing rather than any other business. Let's compare affiliate marketing to e-commerce. So say you have merchandise. You don't have to ship all that merchandise out to orders. You have to deal with all the shipping, returns, customer care, um, people not satisfied with their product and then wanting to return. You have to deal with all of that, and it is tough. I used to sell electronics on eBay for profit, and guys, was a lot of work getting those shipments out. And I personally didn't have any return requests on my orders, but I know a lot of people that did. With affiliate marketing now, you don't have to worry about any of that. All you do really is market. You advertise someone else's product. You don't have to ship it. You don't have to deal with returns or customer service at all. Well, kind of you do customer service because you're bringing in the buyer, but usually the seller is dealing with most of that. Now, my favorite part about affiliate marketing is the freedom you have. You don't have to go to work every day. You don't have to worry about getting fired, having a boss you around. You are your own boss. You can schedule your day however you want. You can work from wherever you want. Right now, I could go on vacation and continue working from my phone or from my laptop. Actually, I don't even need my laptop. One of the members in our team recently commented on a post. They said, I've been doing this for a few months now from my phone. So really, you could be working from your phone somewhere. I'm in Manitoba now. I could be going to Toronto to Niagara Falls right now and work from there. It's really the freedom you have with affiliate marketing. It's great. You can work while you're on vacation. You're not limited to being in a certain place at a certain time. Another reason is the money you earn. With a job, you're making maybe 30,000 to 60,000 a year if you're lucky. With affiliate marketing, there's really no limits to the amount you can make. One of our members made 10,000 in January alone, which is crazy. You can be making 100,000, even 200,000 a year. If you go to Freedom Influencers, which is a YouTube channel by Nathan Lucas, he made I think close to 200,000 last year, which is pretty crazy. He's already at 60,000 for 2019, which is extreme. So there's really no limits to the amount of money you can make. It depends on the amount of effort you put in and the amount of success you have, of course. And the last thing I'm going to mention is the support and the difference you can make in other people's lives. You can literally change someone else's life by helping them quit their job and start making full-time income online. If you hit the first link in the description, it'll take you to our webinar, and you'll be able to get started with affiliate marketing, and you get a step-by-step training with Facebook Ads Mastery, which is very powerful. It's proven stories. So if you're interested and you're ready to get started, hit that link and go ahead and get started. Otherwise, if you have any questions, leave a comment, like this video, and stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one.